The case in Icklin, Malta, epitomizes the dark underbelly of capitalism and the insidious influence of corruption. Despite the evident health risks posed by toxic emissions from Maltese's asphalt factory, lax regulations and likely corruption have allowed the company to operate with impunity. Profit-driven motives frequently overshadow community well-being, highlighting capitalism's ethical shortcomings. The situation illustrates how regulatory bodies, possibly affected by corruption, fail to protect citizens adequately. In this scenario, corporate interests prevail over public health, exemplifying capitalism's darker side. Urgent reforms are imperative to ensure transparent governance, stringent regulations, and ethical business practices, challenging the systemic issues of corruption and profit-driven negligence plaguing societies worldwide.